What is linear programming? Here we come across the two ways or two products, two quantity. The answer should be positive, linearly bounded. X and Y should not be more than 0. We'll move on to first one. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to add Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 2, Session 2, in favor of BBA, 6th semester. So we move on to Unit number 2 called Linear Programming. What is linear programming? Here we come across the two ways or two products, two quantity. The answer should be positive, linearly bounded. Here labor and materials will be taken into consideration. So we can't consider the labor and material and how to arrive the maximum profit that we are going to arrive in the linear programming. We'll move on to problem now. A manufacturer produces two types of product, chairs and tables, using machine A and B. So they are using machine A and machine B. They are producing chairs and table. Each chair requires 3 hours of processing of machine A and 2 hours of machine B. So in order to manufacture chair, we require 3 hours of machine A and 2 hours of machine B. Then each table requires 3 hours of processing machine A and 4 hours of machine B. Machine A is available for 12 hours maximum. Similarly, machine B is also available 12 hours maximum. So profit per chair is 300, profit per table is 500. How many chairs and tables should be produced to maximize the profit? Solve graphically. So we'll move on to this problem. Here, let the chairs be X, let the table be Y. We have got chairs and table, machine A, machine B, profit. Then availability, we can say that available. Here is the X, here is the Y. Availability. Maximum numbers is 12 hours. Here also 12 hours. He says 3 hours of machine A, 3 hours of machine A and 2 hours of machine B. 3 hours of machine A, 2 hours of machine B, profit with. Then 3 hours of, second see that, 3 hours of machine A and 4 hours of machine B. 3 hours of machine A and 4 hours of machine B, profit is by maximum hours is 12 hours. Objective function, maximize function, Z is equal to 300x plus 500i. This is a maximum profit available. Subject to constraints, 3x plus 3y not more than 12, 2x plus 4y not more than 10, where x and y should not be more than 0. We'll move on to first one. 3x plus 3y not more than 12. The equation says, or we can say that 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. Put x is equal to 0. This is 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. When you put x is equal to 0, y value is 4. Then put y is equal to 0. 3x, second equation, 2x plus 4y. Here, no, 3x plus 3y is equal to 2. Here, you are putting y is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. So, 3x is equal to 12. X is 12 divided by 3 is also 4. The values are here. If you put the value here, x, first x value is Here no 0, y values. Here x and y, x here first is 0, here values, x is 0, x value is 0, this is the first equation, x is 0, y is 4. In the second equation, x is 4, y is 0. Come back to second one. Second equation, 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. Put x is equal to 0, 4y is equal to 12, y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. Here also equation goes x, y. Here, what's the x value? 0. Y value? X. Here, put x is equal to 0, y is 3. Second equation, here put y is equal to 0, x is 6. So first equation here, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 0, x is 6. The values are 6 and 3. So the maximum x is 6. Here maximum x is 4. Maximum y is 4. That's all. So where they are available, we can find out. We can take the equation 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. Second equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. Multiply this by 2, this should be 3. 2 3s are 6, 6y, 24. 3 2s are 6x, plus 12y, 36. While deducting, this is cancelled out. Minus 6y is equal to minus 12. Cancel this. Y is equal to 2. Take the first equation. 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. 3x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 12. 3x plus 6 is equal to 12. 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. 3 into 6 is 12. 3x is equal to 12 minus 6. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. So your answer should come in x-axis 2, y-axis 2. While you're making the graph, you must see that x-axis should be 2, y-axis should be 2, roughly. We'll move on to graph now. Here, how much is highest in x? 6. How much x in y now? First equation, 4, 4, 6, 3. Okay. First equation, highest x is 6, y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, roughly. This is the years, no? This is OX axis. This is OY axis. What is the first equation? In the first equation, x is also 4. This is the first equation. X is also 4. Y is also 4. Here now, in the second equation, first equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. Put x is equal to 0. 4y is equal to y is equal to 3. So put y is equal to 0. 2x is 12. X is 6. So in the first equation, what's your first equation? 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. 3x plus 3y is equal to 12. Put x is equal to 0. Y is 4. X is also 4. X is also 4. Y is also 4. Put this as R, roughly. In the second equation, if you come to second equation, 6, 3, x is 6, y is 3. 6, 3. You put it as P. Roughly it will cut 2. You can also here also cut, assumed as 2. So this is, you assume that Q. This is R. So P, this is 0. OPQR, feasible region. Particulars, feasible region, OPQR. So first is X unit, Y unit, profit, X, profit, Y, total. So these are the point. At the point 0, R are 0 here. What's the profit of X? What's the maximum profit? 300, 500. Profit, this is rupees 300. This is rupees 500. So at the point 0, all are 0. At the point B, Y is 3, X is 0. X is 0, Y is 3. So this is 0. Y is how much? 3 into 500. 1500. Then at the point Q, X is 2, Y also 2. This is 2 into 300. 2 into 500. This is 600. This is 1000. 1600. At the point R, X is 4. 0. 4 into 300. 1200. This is 0. 1200. Where the maximum profit available? 1600. Maximum profit at the point Q, rupees 1600. So maximum profit is available at the point P is 1000, at the point Q. Hope you understand this multiplication. We'll move on to the next problem. A company produces 2 products, tires and tubes. 120 units of raw material, 96 hours of labor is available. Production of one tire require 8 units of raw material, 4 hours of labor. Each tube requires 4 units of raw material, 8 hours of labor. If profit is 16 for each tire, 12 for each tube, find out the number of tires and tubes to be produced to maximize the profit. Solve graphically. So equation goes, let tire be X, tube be Y. So here X is tire, here this is your tire, this is your tubes. So how this says no? Require here no raw material, 8 hours of raw material, 4 hours of labor. 8 hours of raw material, 4 hours of labor. Here 8 hours of raw material, 4 hours of labor. Then 4 units of raw material, 8 hours of labor. 4 units of raw material, 8 hours of labor. First one, 8 hours of raw material, 4 hours of labor. Here 4 hours of raw material, 8 hours. What is the equation? 8x plus 4y is 120 maximum hours. This is a profit. Then 4x plus 8y is 96, where x and y is not should be. What's your maximum profit? 16x plus 12y is there. Okay, we'll move on here. Constraints. Your equation is 8x plus 4y is 120. 4x plus 8y is 96. Constraint to first equation. 8x plus 4y is 120. Put x is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 120. Y is equal to 120 divided by 4 is 30. Y value is 30. Then put y is equal to 0. 8x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 divided by 8. Put here, put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. 8x is equal to 20. 8 ones are 8, 4 remaining. 15. Second equation. 4x plus 8y. 4x plus 8y is equal to 96. Put x is equal to 0. 8y is equal to 96. Y is equal to 96 divided by 8. 12. Put y is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 96. I think you are following. X is equal to 96 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 24. 15. X is 24, 15. Here first equation. So here first equation, 8x plus 4y is equal to 120. So answer is 30, 15. Here 8x plus 8y is, put x is equal to 0, 8y is, this is 12. First equation, first unit, first equation, x, y, what's your x value? Put x is equal to 0, y is 30. Then x, put x is equal to 0, y is 30. Put y is equal to x is 15. 30, 15. Second equation. So your y value is 12, x is 0. Second one, put y is equal to 0. Here, second equation, put x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 12. Put y is equal to 0. X is 24. In the first equation, 30, 15. Second equation, 24, 12. So alternative you have to put x is equal to 0. What's the y value? Put y is equal to 0. What's the x value? That should be put in. Which is highest value of x? Y is 30. X is 24. Here 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Here 30, 3, 6, 9, roughly adding 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. This is y-axis. This is your x-axis. OX, OY. Then we'll put first equation 30, 15. 30, 15. X is 30. First 8, 8, 4, y. Put x is equal to 3. 30, 15. 30, 15. Put this as R. Second equation, 24, 12. 24, 12. 24, 12. So, if we solve this now, first equation, 8x plus 4y is 120. First equation, 4x plus 8y is 96. This should be multiplied by 2%. 8x plus 4y is 120. This is 8x, 16y, 192. Deduct, cancel this. Minus 12y minus 192, 120 minus 72. So 12 6. Then second equation, 8x plus 4y is 120. 8x plus 4 into, so y value 6 is 120. 8x is 120. 8x 120 minus 24. 8x is equal to 120 minus 124. 120 minus 24 is 96. X is, so x value should be 12 in the graph sheet. X value should be 12 here, roughly in 12. Y value should be 6 somewhere, roughly 6. Value is equal to, this is Q. X value 12, Y value 6. So we can go with the feasible region. Feasible region. O, P, Q, R. This is X unit, Y unit, profit, X, profit, Y, total. So what's the profit here? 16, 12, 16 rupees, 12 rupees. First is 0. At the point P, here, you draw a line one here R. Draw here, this is R, 24 to 12. X is 0, Y is 12, this is 0, 12 into 12, 144. At the point Q, X is 12, X is 12, Y is 6. 12 into 16, 6 into 12. 192, 72, add 264. So at the point R, Y is 0. 15 into 16, this is 0. 240. So the maximum profit available is 264 at the point 2 selected. Q is selected at the point P, the maximum profit. You see that? See the graph? If we see the X is 12, Y is 6, that we have solved now. Here, you solve the problem now. Here, while you're taking the problem, X is here, no? 120. X is 12. Then, Y have taken 8x plus Y you already solved here. 8x plus 5, 4x plus 2y, 8x cancel 12y. So here y is equal to 6, x is equal to 12. So y is equal to 6, x is to 12. This is feasible region. OPQR. So you understand this point roughly I have done, and the equation you follow. So in this session we solved about this blue problem. Last session we have solved. So 3 problems have been solved. We'll meet in the next class with another linear program problem. Then hope you understand this. Meet you in the next class with another problem.